this new twist that has now emerged to the industrialist Sanjay Kapoor, as far as when it comes to what we are getting to know, that the Kapoor family inheritance dispute that we speak of, Rani Kapoor meanwhile has now moved the Delhi High Court. Now this seems to be a suit that has been filed over the RK Family Trust, and Priya Sachdev and 24 others, what we are told, have been named. Karisma Kapoor's children, who are the legal heirs, have now been named as the defendants, and Mandira Kapoor have also been now named in the suit. Rani Kapoor has now been alleging that there has been a conspiracy to defraud, and the trust deed challenged as null and void, as Rani Kapoor is now seeking dissolution of the RK Family Trust. Let's get connected with Dipankar on this. Dipankar, it seems that back to back we're looking at, as far as the legal suits that have been filed in courts, this, when it comes to the entire inheritance dispute, seems to now be escalating to another level. What has Rani Kapoor now done as far as moving to the Delhi High Court over the RK Family Trust?
Well, yes, these legal discourse in this entire case is going to another level, where now Rani Kapoor has moved the Delhi High Court and has filed a suit seeking dissolution of the Rani Kapoor Trust. She has alleged that this Rani Kapoor Trust was formulated behind her back and a conspiracy was hatched to defraud her and take away all her belongings. She has alleged in this suit that has been filed before the Delhi High Court that originally she was the sole owner of all the properties as per the will of the late Surinder Kapoor, and there was only two trusts that were formed, that was the SK Trust and the MK Trust. But behind her back, when she fell ill, all these property which she had under the SK Trust as well as the MK Trust, all these properties were concentrated under the RK Trust behind her back, and a conspiracy was hatched, and all these belongings that she had according to the will of Surinder Kapoor, all these were taken away. So now she has moved the Delhi High Court seeking dissolution of the RK Family Trust, or the Rani Kapoor Family Trust as we know it, and has said that all the defendants are to be an injunction to be passed against all the defendants, so that they may not use that RK Trust further or do anything with that with the properties under the RK Trust, like alienation of those properties or giving away those properties. So this new suit has come to the fore now before the Delhi High Court, where this entire thing will take place in the coming days to follow.
Right, Dipankar, there's been another defamation case that we are looking at, as far as when it comes to the entire issue now getting slightly complicated as to number of suits that have also been now filed. Can you give us an update on the other case that we are looking at?
Well, yes. In the meanwhile, today there is a hearing that is to take place in the criminal defamation case that was filed by Priya Kapoor against Mandira Kapoor and one another person regarding the statements that were made by Mandira Kapoor while giving an interview, and has alleged that these statements that Mandira Kapoor has given to the podcast channel, to the person who was interviewing her, all these were hurtful statements and were made deliberately to defame her. So that is taking place in the Delhi's Patiala House Court, where Priya Kapoor has now reached, and shortly her statements are to be recorded. Remember, according to the Indian Indian criminal laws that are being followed, the preliminary submission, the pre-summon evidence is done of the complainant who files the criminal defamation case, and for that, in this instance, Priya Kapoor has to give these pre-summoning evidence along with two other evidence that she has to produce in order to show that how she was defamed by the statements that were made, allegedly made by Mandira Kapoor in that interview. So Priya Kapoor has for now reached
another legal battle there, as far as in the courts that has now been taken up, the Kapoor family dispute, where Rani Kapoor has now moved the Delhi High Court, and the suit has now been filed over the RK Family Trust. For the moment, Dipankar, thank you very much for joining in.